We're working with these rational expressions, and we're going to be subtracting these two. And we're going to follow the exact same rules that exist for fractions, because essentially these are fractions. They just have a variable with them. Well, with fractions, they have to have the exact same denominator in order to add or subtract them. These two do not. So what we want to do is try to determine what the lowest common denominator is, or the least common denominator. In this case, it would be 3m cubed. Now, I'd take a look at the numbers first. This is the 3 and this one's a 3. So that's where I got my 3 from. The lowest common denominator as far as numbers would just be 3. M, we always take whatever the variable is to the highest exponent that's listed. This would be m cubed. Okay, so that's where I got this 3m cubed. Okay, well, on the left-hand side over here, in order to get this one to be our lowest common denominator, we don't have to do anything to it. It's already our lowest common denominator. So I'll just rewrite that one is all I'll do. This one on the right here, however, does not have 3m squared in the denominator. So I'm going to have to figure out a way to create it or make it so that it has a 3m cubed, on the denominator. So in order to do that, I'm going to have to multiply top and bottom by m cubed. That's all I was really missing. I'll multiply top and bottom. That's essentially multiplying it by 1. M cubed over m cubed is just 1. So I haven't changed its value. But what I've done is allowed it to be a common denominator now. So now I have 3m cubed on the bottom on both of these two. Now that I have that, I can just simply add the numerators. Okay, add what's on top, or combine them, I should say, because this one's subtraction. Then I end up with 5 minus 4m cubed. However, we need to make sure to write these in the correct order, and standard form says that a variable always comes before the constant. This number is just a number all by itself. It's the constant that goes at the end. So I need to rewrite these. And when I rewrite these, this negative here stays with the 4. That is negative 4m cubed plus 5. This was a positive 5. That remains a positive 5. So this is our final answer on this one.